Why convert Excel files to CSV?
CSV files are a simple, widely supported format for sharing spreadsheet data. Converting from Excel to CSV makes it easier to import data into databases, web applications, or other programs that use plain text files. This tutorial will walk you through the simplest, free ways to export your Excel spreadsheets as CSV files on your desktop.
Opening your Excel file.
Start by opening your Excel file using Microsoft Excel or the free desktop program LibreOffice Calc. You don't need any special software beyond these tools. If your data has multiple sheets, decide which sheet you want to export, as only the active sheet will be saved as a CSV.
Exporting as CSV in Microsoft Excel.
In Microsoft Excel, click on File, then select Save As. Choose your desired folder. In the File Type drop-down menu, select CSV, delimited XXXX. Give your file a name, click Save, and you're done. Excel will warn you that only the active sheet is saved. Click OK to continue.
Exporting as CSV in LibreOffice Calc.
Open your spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc, then click File, followed by Save As. In the dialog, choose Text CSV as your format. You can adjust delimiter options if needed. Click Save and accept any prompts. LibreOffice Calc is a free tool, making it a great alternative if you don't have Excel.
Tips and common issues.
Be aware that CSV files do not store formatting or multiple sheets. Only plain text and data from the current sheet are saved. Double-check your saved file in a text editor or open it in your target program to confirm that the export worked as expected. If you see strange characters, check your delimiter and encoding settings.